What's going on, everybody? This is Cybervolt here, and that's with a zero. We're going to be talking about the Michelin Pilot Street 2 street tire for the veteran Sherman, and I want to give you guys my perspective on it. I figured, hey, why not? There's not a lot of videos about this tire. There's maybe a couple videos, one from French USA about the street tire on the Sherman Max, and also Wrong Way, where he put the street tire on there as well. And if there's other videos out there, please correct me if I'm wrong. This street tire is wonderful. It is very wonderful. It's very nice and smooth on the pavement. It's made for the street. It's very grippy. It grips the road very well. Like, if you want this thing to go forward, it's gonna have no problem going forward. If you want to do a lot of carving on the road, this thing is not going to have any issue doing that. Matter of fact, it's a lot easier to turn with this Pilot Street 2 tire. I have no issue with this tire. It's quiet. It goes where you want it to go. You don't have to put too much of your body weight around turns anymore. I highly suggest this. To me, it's a 10 out of 10. A couple things that I've noticed, and I'm going to show you right now, is that there is a little bit of tire slippage when it comes to graveled trail. It's not as bad as I make it sound, but you can actually feel the wheel slipping just a little bit more on gravel. It has a hard time on grass, especially on wet grass, whereas the knobby tire would eat that for breakfast. But I don't regret it, man. I still give it a 10 out of 10. And again, if you want another perspective, check out French USA with his Max impressions of the street tire, and the veteran Sherman impressions from Wrong Way when he put the street tire on there. Alright, so that's about it, guys. I'm going to let the video play out so you can hear how the tire sounds. And make sure you press like and subscribe. And let me know down in the comments about what you think about the Pilot Street 2, or if you're planning on getting one. Alright, you all have a good one, and peace out.